These other halts are nothing. FRSX by far is the most volatile right now. A lot of opportunity in this name. PRPO doing the same, huge spread between bid offer, but a little bit of volume starting to come in, guys and gals. PRPO just made new highs. I will be looking for an entry here. Very risky play along with FRSX. TIGR, Tango India Golf Romeo is another name. Oh, there goes PRPO. I mean, we could get this order out. I don't know if we'll get filled, guys and gals. It's made quite a bit of jump here. Orders in on the books. I'm watching FRSX so far. It's just okay. TIGR potentially.